Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome and going straight to the Extensions page. Click the three-dot menu in the top right, choose More Tools, then Extensions. Once the page loads, you'll see Installed Extensions as cards. Make sure Developer Mode is turned on in the top right to reveal ID, inspect views, and pack options. This first step gets you immediate visibility and the controls you'll need for deeper inspection, so don't skip enabling Developer Mode now. Now inspect the details of a specific extension. Click Details on its card to see permissions, site access, and allowed protocols. Once done, use the extension options or the Visit Website link to open its settings and tweak behavior. This explains why it appears on certain sites. For technical inspection, click the Background page or Inspect Views under Developer Mode to open DevTools for that extension, letting you observe runtime activity and console messages in real time. Finish by managing or fixing what you found. Toggle an extension off to stop it immediately, or click Remove to uninstall it. Make sure incognito access or site access settings are set correctly if an extension isn't appearing where expected. If an extension seems missing, check you're in the correct Chrome profile and confirm sync settings. Sometimes extensions live only on another profile or device. If problems persist, restart Chrome.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.